Hello, my beautiful fart faces. Today we are going to be unboxing this box. It is from the Indigenous collection. They are a Canadian art company and they have diamond paintings, and inside of this box are 3 diamond paintings which we're going to look at in this video. But I wanted to share with you this box because it is a triangle, and hi, I've never received a diamond painting in a triangular box before. Scruffy is very interested in this box apparently, but I'm going to pull this out. I'm going to pull the diamond paintings out of here and put them on my desk because I don't have my tripod. So I will be right back and we will look at these from the Indigenous collection. Is it weird that I was totally excited over the triangular box? Who knows? But today we're going to be looking at this one. It is called Sharing Knowledge. The artist is Jackie Traverse. And then we'll be looking at Tranquility. The artist is William Montague, I don't know. And then we'll be looking at this one, which is called Raven Dreamcatcher, and it is by Carla Joseph. First things first, let's look at how these are packaged because this is a new company to me. Here at the top we have Diamond Art. Create with diamonds. Create your very own diamond art piece based on original piece of authentic Indigenous art. Then it has the French version because this is a Canadian company. Here is the thumbnail, here is the title, here is the author, the artist's name, and then the canvas size for this one is 50 by 40, and I believe all of them are going to be 50 by 40. And then the image size, the actual image size is 45 by 35 centimeters. Then we have the back of the packaging. It has, oh, this is really nice actually. It has information about the actual artist. So she's First Nation female artist who calls the city of Winnipeg home. And then instructions on how to diamond paint. French instructions, Indigenous collection. This is their logo. And yeah, that's basically the box. It's like pretty sturdy. I wouldn't recommend, like, if you are going to mail these to someone, I'd recommend putting them in a box because this can easily get crushed in shipping. Let's take this baby out, and oh, I'm very excited because I have been wanting to do diamond paintings of Indigenous artwork because it's just so beautiful. We have, okay, so we have our drills. This is a round diamond painting. Our drills come packaged like this. So here is the number, I believe, like the number of the symbol, and then the DMC code. I don't know what this is. This is probably the product code. But here we go. There's not a ton of drills again because this is a, what size was it? I already forgot. This is a 35 by 45 centimeter diamond painting. So you got your basic toolkit with 2 or 3 baggies, a pen, a plate of wax, and a diamond painting tray. This is a poured glue canvas. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. It's so pretty, guys. Wow, like first impressions, I want to work on this right away. Second impressions, the art is beautiful. Well, like, that's a first impression too. I don't know what I'm talking about. But on the left-hand side, we have our schematic. There's not going to be any ABs or special drills. And then here's the image size, 45 by 35. And then on the bottom, we have the artist's name, which is great because they give credit to the artist, Sharing Knowledge, and then Indigenous collection by Cap. I believe it's Canadian Art Print is Cap. And then let's look at the drill field. The drill field looks clear to me. From the naked eye, well, I'm wearing glasses, so my eyeball's not naked, but it looks good to me. Like, I'm not seeing any issues. Do you guys see anything? Let me know in the comments down below. Yeah, I'm not seeing any issues. I think this is beautiful. Oh my goodness. I love it. And actually, some of their diamond paintings, the revenue or the profits from some diamond paintings, I don't know if it's all of them or just ones in particular, but I did notice some notes at the bottom of listings. They do donate some of the funds to Indigenous programs, which is really great. Yeah, this is really pretty. Oh my goodness. Okay, I think so far this is my favorite because it just is, okay? Let's put this one away and open up the next one. Also, I should note that these diamond paintings, they're $25 Canadian each, which is like, I don't know, like $18 American. I'm not a currency conversion person, but that, like, $25, that's not a bad deal at all, especially for licensed diamond paintings. So this one measures 35 by 45. The image is 35 by 45. The canvas size is 40 by 50. And this is Tranquility by William Minogue. I don't know. Okay. So same packaging. A little bit about the artist here. You can freeze it if you do want to read that. Let's take a look-see. Ooh, I'm excited. Okay, so here are our drills, basic toolkit, drills, and this is a round diamond painting again. I don't know if they have squares or anything like that. Honestly, I didn't even pay attention to the drill size when I was ordering. I just paid attention to the artwork because I don't really care. Ooh, I'm excited. I don't know if I'm going to be able to show this all in the frame. But here we go. So this is just like a really pretty nature scene. I love it. Love it. Here's the thumbnail again. So we have like our turtles down here, a wave, some flowers. I'm sure there's significance to these types of flowers, and then an island. Oh, this is Turtle Island, I think. I was like, excuse me? It's Turtle Island. Okay, it's Turtle Island. So looking at this rendering, it's like, am I going to be able to tell that these are turtles? That's the only thing. Like, maybe this image needs to be a bit bigger for the detail. Here we have our schematic. The image size again. The artist. Tranquility Indigenous Collection logo. So we'll look at it sideways. But I think, like, okay, my honest opinion on this is that it should be bigger. Because just from looking at the canvas itself, it looks like it's not going to capture the full detail. But I think all of their canvases are all one size. And they're all $25. Like, don't quote me on that. I'll put the link in the description box below. But I really like this one, and I'm curious to see how it will work up. And I'm pretty sure like these flowers have some sort of significance. Obviously, Turtle Island, and if you don't know what Turtle Island is, I'll put the description or explanation here. Yeah, what do you guys think of this one? This one I think is really pretty, and I don't know. Yeah, I don't know, I like this one. I like this one, but I wish it was bigger. That's all. Yeah, that's what I'll say about it. OMG. And I just realized, I was like, why does this look like a bird? It's actually an eagle. If you look on the thumbnail, it's an eagle face. That's kind of neat. So I wonder again if this will translate when it's done. We'll have to see. We'll have to see. This we'll be looking at is this one featuring a crow, Raven Dreamcatcher by Carla Joseph. And this one measures 35 by 45. Here's some information on the artist if you do want to freeze and read it. Let's open this baby up. This one I was really excited about because I really like crows. I like ravens. So this image like really spoke to me. Here's our drills. This is a round diamond painting again. I believe the drills are acrylic. And then we have our basic toolkit. Here's our basic toolkit again. Wow. Oh, it's so cute. So pretty. So poured glue. The cover is not like a thicker poured glue or anything like that. Or sorry, the cover is not a thicker plastic. It's just like the normal flimsy fabric plastic. I'm not going to complain about that because literally I don't really care. Here is the schematic. This one has 26 colors, 35 by 45 centimeters. Here is the artist, Raven Dream Catcher, and then Indigenous collection. So this one, I'm wondering, sorry, everything I'm filming is sideways because I'm standing at an angle towards my phone. This one, I'm wondering if this one could be bigger as well. Like, let's look at the thumbnail. So the detail, I believe, in the Dreamcatcher isn't going to be all there. Like, just from looking at this, you can kind of tell. But I'm very curious to see how this one will work up as well. Take a look at the drill area. So I would compare the quality, if you're curious, the quality of these diamond paintings to like the budget websites. But of course you're paying more than a budget diamond painting would cost because you're paying basically for the art, and the artist will get profit from this. So I didn't mind paying $25. Like, obviously, like, that's not even a lot. Like, I would think that they would charge more, but I think it's a fair price. Yeah, I should say it's a fair price for the size of diamond painting you are getting. I really like this one. But the first one with the sisters or the ladies is my favorite out of all of them, sharing knowledge. What do you guys think? I'm really excited to do these. I just started this canvas, but I might actually have to do one of these and finish it, just so we can take a look. I really think these diamond paintings, especially because we're the diamond painting community, is really important. And I love the artwork. I love that the Indigenous collection supports Indigenous art. And I love that it's Canadian, like, Canadian, yay, hi. And I just think it's amazing. And I'm so excited to have found this. I definitely am going to work on one of them and figure out if I need the entire collection, because at $25 Canadian for a licensed diamond painting, like, that's like a fair price. I'm not going to complain about that at all. They have like a whole bunch of diamond paint, like they have a whole web page dedicated to their diamond paintings. So make sure you check out the link in the description box below. If you do end up buying from them, let me know which one you do end up getting. Which of these diamond paintings is your favorite? Leave a comment and let me know. Again, I'm going to just state that this one is my favorite. It's just very beautiful. I love the colors. This one could be a bit bigger. This one could be a bit bigger, but Turtle Island, Raven, sharing knowledge, not going to complain. These are amazing pieces of artwork. I will leave the link again in the description box below. If you're new here and you like diamond painting, you like diamond painting videos, I upload videos whenever I feel like it, so make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell notification to be notified when there is something new for you to look at. And again, check this out. Check out the Indigenous collection. I will see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye!